How's it going, guys? King Cadillac. Welcome back to our very first car show since lockdown. We are at Burgled Burgers in Officer. So without further ado, let's get into those classic cars. Here we got the VW rolling up, the old Holden Ute, beautiful old Tirana, King Caddy car front and centre. More old Fords, absolutely gorgeous. Old Dodge. Pete's Fairlane. Beautiful old Buick Skylark. Very nice. Some absolutely gorgeous cars here. First show after all the lockdown, so there's going to be a lot more. Going to be a hell of a lot more people turning up. Chevelle over there. The old Gemini. LTD. Mustang. Monaro. Old VK Commodore, another Mustang, El Camino, oh, yes please, couple of Z28s, Mustang and another Corvette. Beautiful old hot rod. Pontiac. And now we'll go down here. We've got a beautiful Ford Landau. Very nice, very clean. BG Valiant.
The radiator plus the shroud. It's got to be to have that.
Old Chev Silverado. This one's pretty cool, Mazda RX-4. Let's have a look at some of the others. Another beautiful hot rod here. Just Monaro.
We had a friend
Sorry, mate.
No, you're alright. There you go, brother. The Z28's gorgeous panel van. Trans Am. The Chev over there. Got a of the panel van. Panel van, Camaro. Oh, absolutely stunning. So as you can see, they've got all the grass area up here done. We got all here done, or getting done, filling up right now. So what do we expect? First car show after lockdown. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. We'll see you at the next car show.